Welcome. For British pound, Japanese yen, nothing has occurred as since. I think the only thing that I took today, last in this week, was sales here, and this was on Monday, on Tuesday, yeah, on Tuesday, took sales and buys, yeah. After which, nothing has occurred on GJ. So what I'm seeing here, which is obvious, is this. As you can see, price was making lows, but at some point it failed to make new lows. Okay, and instead it turned. As you can see, this point is higher than this point. Okay, and so far price has been curving. So I don't want to make it too complex or advanced. So for now, I'm advising myself not to take any trade at the moment because there is no visible price action except I want to take buys, stop loss around here, then anticipate price to do what? Shoot up to retest this high. This is a long time target, you understand? But don't forget that before price will reach up, there are two conditions or two ways price can get to this level, anticipated TB. One of the ways is moving slowly before getting here. Another way is just impulsive move, perhaps due to one high impact or fundamental news. Okay, so this is what price is doing at the moment. It has given us this lopsided V formation, and if you look at this very well, if we want to go a little advanced, that image is not the ideal one. I'm saying this is something like this. We've gotten this. Let's see if we're going to get this before price does what? Comes up. I'm not saying that we're going to get a new low from this low, but let's see what price will do, which is price can print a new low here, come back a little bit, make a new low before turning bullish. Now, this is what some persons will refer to as ideal situation, where price will print like this before going in the direction we want. But this does not occur all the time. Okay, this is real life scenario. Those in sciences will understand that there are terms with two terms in gases we call one ideal gas and real gas. The ideal gas follows the scenario that all things being equal, a gas will act like gas at these particular conditions. But a real gas is different because the equations for ideal gases will not work for real gases. So you have to put what is known as CF, which is the correction factor. But we are not going to go into sciences right now. My interest is explaining this. So this is the lopsided V formation because it has taken out this guy who started it. And this is the set one, or I will call this test phase. Okay, this is the test phase. So this will be test one. And let's see if we're going to get test two. But I'm not going to rush to expect a lower dipping compared to this until let me see how high this test one cycle would go. At the moment, this is where it's hanging. So this is what I'm looking at on GJ. It's more complex than this, but I'm trying to keep it simple and straightforward. If I want to go into breaking this down, we could look at it in a way that technically this is one swing, this is another swing, and it just tapped the low of this swing, did not make a new low. So let's see what this swing will do. If it will give, it's let me leave it simple. If you have any question, keep it to the end and you can ask all your questions. So this is what I'm looking at on GJ. No trades yet until we see either this plays out or this Okay, this is the V formation which we have here, which is this one. This will be the test phase, test one. I can't say how deep or how high this test two would be until the cycle of test one is over. So I'm going to stop here for now on British pound Japanese yen. Let's look at the next thing on the watch list. The next thing we have is gold. So far, gold has been acting very fine. So what I'm looking at is this. Um, let me let me put this out. What I'm looking out on gold is this. Take potential buys above here and sells will occur below here. I know some persons will be anticipating to take sales once price hits this resistance, but this will be um it will be it will be just trading the range, which is sell at the resistance, buy at the support. However, don't forget that we're in buyer's territory. Okay, so the only sell that should occur is if we come below this zone here. If that does not occur, then we should be looking to take buys. So this will be my scenario one. At least I would call this Z prime, okay? Because it's just not what I'm going to take. I'm just showing it for illustrative or to just illustrate a point. So I'm looking for buys to go up because we're in buyer's territory, then to retest this high. Yesterday, the buys here played out very fine. Stop loss here. GP was hit, then some runner until this occurred. So let's see what this is going to do for us today. This is what I'm looking at. Not much lately. Just let it play what it wants to play. Okay. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. So far, Bitcoin has just been hovering at this bearish flag in the sense whereby we're in seller's territory and at the moment, at the moment we are on the retracement phase, something like this. Yeah. So price has been playing the tennis competition, ping pong, ping pong. So let's see if this is going to come down here before going up. However, don't forget that for counter trend buys, this is what I'm looking at. I'm anticipating price to go up for counter trend buys. However, price coming down will be better because this will be what sweet sells. So this is what I'm looking at. Counter trend buys or sweet sells. Okay, so no much lately here. This is just what I'm looking at on British pound Japanese yen. And okay, don't forget this is as important as the lessons. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and like. If you have any question, I'm anticipating your question so that we can resolve it as quickly as possible. The subscription or to subscribe button, you want to click the subscription button, you come down here and you hit the notification button in the shape of a bell, then select all so that you'll be notified when new stuff is released. Then comment and like. This is all for now. Peace. Barakabashad.